In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to claim the Minecraft McDonald's skin. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to redeem and equip the McDonald's skin for Minecraft. So first, you will have to redeem your code. So if you acquire the code from the McDonald's A Minecraft Movie campaign, it's going to look like this. So this code can be used on this website here, www.minecraft.net/McDonald's. You can also go to the official Minecraft website, click on your account page, and then redeem. So all that you have to do is input the code as it is displayed here into the website. Of course, this code here has already been used, it's just an example. So you will copy this code, make sure to double check everything that you type, and input it here. Then click on redeem. The codes will expire on the 31st of December 2025, but as long as it hasn't been activated and the date still hasn't arrived, then they will be usable. Once you have redeemed them onto your account, you have to sign into Minecraft Bedrock with the same account that you redeemed them on. This will only work for Bedrock, so the skins are not available for Java. In order to find your skins, go to the marketplace, and in here you can browse through your own content. So if you go over to my library, you will see all of the content that you own, and it should appear under skins. Sadly, I don't have the McDonald's skin on this account, but if you did, you would be able to find it here. You can click on the skin and equip it onto your character. You can also go into the dressing room and you should be able to find them there. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.